Welcome to Luxury Car TV, your ultimate destination for timeless classics, luxury rides, and automotive elegance from around the world. The 1935 BMW 328 is a legendary sports car that holds a significant place in automotive history. Known for its advanced engineering, lightweight construction, and sporty character, the 328 set new standards for performance and style in its era. It was not just a car but a symbol of German innovation and precision that paved the way for BMW's future success in motorsports and sports car design. This model made its debut during a period when the automotive world was just beginning to realize the potential of performance engineering in a compact and refined form. The BMW 328 featured a 2.0-liter straight-six engine, an impressive powertrain for its time. It delivered around 80 horsepower, which might not sound powerful by today's standards but was a significant achievement in the mid-1930s. The engine used a unique configuration with hemispherical combustion chambers and an overhead valve design that was ahead of its time. This setup helped the car achieve excellent performance, especially in racing conditions. The car could reach a top speed of approximately 93 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest sports cars available during that period. One of the most remarkable features of the 328 was its lightweight chassis and aerodynamic bodywork. BMW utilized tubular frame construction and aluminum body panels to keep the weight down, resulting in improved handling and acceleration. The vehicle weighed just under 1,800 pounds, contributing greatly to its agility on both roads and racetracks. This lightweight approach also made the 328 a favorite among racers, helping it secure victories in numerous competitions, including the prestigious Mille Miglia in 1940 where it triumphed over much more powerful vehicles. The suspension system of the BMW 328 also stood out with its independent front suspension and live rear axle with semi-elliptical leaf springs. This setup provided a balanced combination of comfort and control, allowing the car to handle sharp corners and uneven surfaces with surprising finesse. Braking was managed by drum brakes on all four wheels, which were standard for the time but quite effective given the 328's low weight. Inside the cabin, the BMW 328 offered a minimalist yet driver-focused environment. The dashboard featured essential gauges such as a speedometer, tachometer, and fuel gauge, arranged for easy readability. Leather seats, a large steering wheel, and minimal trim kept the interior focused on driving performance rather than luxury. The lack of unnecessary embellishments kept the car's focus firmly on functionality and speed. In terms of design, the BMW 328 was a visual masterpiece. Its long hood, sweeping fenders, and low-slung profile gave it a sense of motion even while standing still. The front grille design, with its vertical kidney shape, was one of the earliest versions of what would become an iconic BMW design feature for decades to come. The car's proportions were perfectly balanced, and its clean lines gave it an elegant yet athletic appearance. The 1935 BMW 328 also played a pivotal role in shaping BMW's future. Its success on the racetrack helped cement the brand's reputation for performance and engineering excellence. It also served as a basis for future developments, influencing design and mechanical elements seen in later BMW models. The 328 was a favorite among private racers and enthusiasts, many of whom modified and maintained their vehicles for years, keeping the legacy of this remarkable machine alive. Although only around 464 units of the BMW 328 were ever built, its impact was far greater than its production numbers suggest. Today, it is one of the most sought-after vintage cars in the collector market. Its rarity, combined with its racing pedigree and timeless design, makes it a prized possession for any car enthusiast or collector. Restored examples can fetch millions at auctions, and the car remains a centerpiece in vintage automotive shows and museums. Driving the BMW 328 is often described as a raw and engaging experience. Without modern driving aids or electronics, the connection between driver and machine is pure and unfiltered. Every sound from the engine, every feedback from the road, and every input from the steering wheel provides an experience that is becoming increasingly rare in today's digital automotive landscape. For those who appreciate the art of driving, the 328 offers a unique window into the golden era of sports motoring. With its outstanding engineering, Stunning design, and unforgettable legacy, the 1935 BMW 328 remains one of the most iconic sports cars of all time. Whether on display or on the road, it continues to inspire admiration and respect from automotive fans across generations. We hope you enjoyed exploring this classic masterpiece with us. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing automotive content.